friends, in today's session we will see about two things, two words. That is, first one is TNA and TANA. The meaning of this word is has, and this meaning of this word is have. Let us take few examples to understand these words. Let us take the first example. If I have to say, he has two houses. How to say in Spanish? We can write this L TNA dos casas. Dos casas. Here, he means L, has means TNA, two means those, houses means casas. Let us take the second example. If I have to say, she has two houses, then only the change here is ella, TNA, dos casas. Here for the female version, ella. This is the only difference between these two sentences. Let us take the third example. If I have to say you, it comes have. You have two houses. How to say this in Spanish? Here we have a very small change. We will write here TNES, dos casas. Let us come to the last example of this session. If I have to say, they have two houses. For this, we will write ellas tienen dos casas. Here, for the group of people, girls, ladies or women, then you can use ellas. If opposite, if you have boys, men or gents, for that you can use ellos. For that you can use ellos. This is the only difference in the ellas and ellos.